My mom's gonna flip when she hears the number. Because I haven't shared that with her. Yeah, no. You might get a very weird reaction. The renovation project took about 2.5 months. The cost was about $100,000. My name is Nina. I work in marketing for a big financial service provider, and this is my mum, Nalina. This unit is actually in Marine Parade. I think the best thing about the unit itself is just has a lot of natural light. It's big, it's about 1,500 square feet. You know, one of the things that was really important to us as a family is a balcony, right, Mom? Yeah. The project took a little longer than we had planned, right? But I think what was important to me is that you guys were great communicators. You kept me, like, almost daily I was getting updates, right? Even when I was traveling, I was getting updates. And when I walked into the house when it was finished, it was exactly what I had envisioned. I mean, we had done the digital mock-up, but it was so much better than the digital mock-up. The flooring was exactly what I wanted. Honestly, when I turned the lights on that first time, I was like blown away. I haven't ever experienced that feeling of, oh my God, this is like truly a beautiful home. It's truly someplace that I want to. It was such a great feeling. When I decided to renovate this home, I should say, you know, for me, it's really important to make sure that anyone who works with me on something that's really personal, I just have a really good vibe with. I think I spoke to over 8 IDs, but when I met with Fly and Nick, it just, something clicked. My favorite spot is actually where Nick is sitting. So what I love about that location is it faces the balcony. Typically, my mom watches TV. I read while she's watching TV, and we've just spent days, like just, you know, weekends just doing that. My mom's favorite spot is the balcony. She is out there every morning enjoying her cup of tea at like about 7:30 in the morning, and she'll sit there reading the newspapers. She really loves that. Hey, the koel every day, every day you'll hear that. It's great because we love it, right? Like all the bird song, but yes, recording stuff will be very difficult. Okay, so what did I say? Even my auntie from England was like, what is this bird noise? It's so loud. A home means somewhere where family gathers. It's somewhere where I feel safe. I feel like I can relax. The people who are important to me, like my mom, my extended family, feel comfortable. We are able to laugh and make memories and relax. That's really what a home means to me.